Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Lucina Cosmiano Alvarado, 40 years of age, married, and have 3 children. My father name is Laurentino Cosmiano, and my mother name Juliana Guardo Cosmiano. Still 7 members in my family. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am a youngest member in my family. I am high school graduate, and I am a Roman Catholic. I live in Puro Cuatro, Lininte and Cantilan, Surigao del Sur. I love cooking, cleaning, take care kids and pets. I was worked before in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper for 2 years. Still 4 members in family, 2 adults, 1 6 months baby girl, and 1 3-year-old boy. I also work in Malaysia as a domestic helper for 2 years. Still 2 members in family, 1 elderly, 1 adult, and have 3 dogs. Lastly, I work also in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. Still 7 members in family, 1 elderly, 3 adults, and 3 children, and have a small size of dog. Suddenly, I cannot finish my contract due to my family problem. Now settled already, everything is fine. I want to work again in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family here in the Philippines. As a domestic helper, my duties and responsibilities are care of baby, care of children, care of pets, care of elderly, ironing and washing clothes, cooking foods, cleaning the house, gardening, and marketing. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities like what I do before when I was in Saudi Arabia and Malaysia. I am honest, polite, respectful, patient to the children, and hardworking. And I also follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.